HandBrake is great for video compression, but when it comes to vertical videos, the default preset simply will not work. In this video, I am going to show you the way you can create a custom preset for your vertical videos inside HandBrake software. Alright, the first thing you have to do is open HandBrake on your computer. To make things easier, simply drag and drop any vertical video file directly onto HandBrake. This way, we can test our preset right after putting it together. Now, if you look through the preset list, you will notice something. There is no vertical video preset included out of the box. HandBrake does not come with one, so we are going to build our own preset for vertical videos. Look up at the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on Presets. From drop-down, select Add Preset button. A small window will appear. This is where we will configure everything for our new preset. Begin by giving your preset a name. Choose something clear and recognizable, something you will easily identify later. There is also a description field below that, but for this tutorial, I will leave this box empty. For the category section, I highly recommend using one. It keeps everything neat and easy to find. If you do not have a category yet, select Add New Category and type in a name right there. In my case, I already have Custom Presets category set up, so I will simply place this preset under that one. Here is the most important part, the resolution section. To define a custom size, click on the drop-down and select Custom. For vertical videos, the resolution needs to be 1080 by 1920, that is the standard portrait orientation. Once everything looks good, click on Add button to save. Your new preset will now appear inside the category you assigned it to and ready to use anytime. In this case, the video we imported earlier has a resolution of 1440 by 2560. After applying our preset, the output will be scaled down to 1080 by 1920. Now, go ahead and export the video using HandBrake with the new preset applied. As you can see, the exported video now has exactly the dimensions we defined in our custom preset. On the left, you can see the original video details, and on the right, the final exported file after applying our custom vertical video preset. And that is how you can create a custom preset in HandBrake for vertical videos, a quick setup that will save you a lot of time on every future export.